increased frequency of repurchase. And that's where I want to start here, because that literally is the hidden gold in your database. So let's look at each one of your customers that are in the database. How often should they really come back? Okay, so, and I mentioned before, the money vehicles, 6 to 16 years old, you should see at least one of those twice per year. I'm sure you'd agree, probably even more than that. Now, if you go to their home at night and look in their garage or look in their driveway, you're going to find there's at least 2 vehicles. So that means each client should be visiting your shop 4 times per year at a absolute minimum. Again, 2 visits per vehicle, 2 vehicles, total visits per client, at least 4. That would be the minimum. Oh, let me back up here. I forgot the big part here. The average shop only gets 1.3 visits per year for each client. Now, we know that because Jerry and I have been working with shop owners for years and years and years. We have access to their databases. When we bring on a client, we kind of look at that. And how often do they actually come back? Only 1.3 visits per year. So when we do the math, the difference between 1.3 visits and 4, the number is really staggering. So again, I'm going to use that $500 average ticket. And let's say you have 750 clients in your database. If they're only coming back 1.3 visits per year on average, that's $487,000 in sales. But if you got them to come back 4 visits per year, that's a staggering $1.5 million in sales. You've literally tripled your gross sales by focusing on getting your clients to come back again and again and again. You don't have to chase after new customers. You don't have to deal with a bottom feeder that comes in the door and just waste your time. You don't have to mess with that because you're dealing with people that already know, love, and trust you. And when you look at this, which business would you prefer? Not having to do a whole lot of marketing and get a bunch of strangers coming in the door, or deal with people that are kind of like family, right?